This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. Welcome home. This home has gorgeous curb appeal and is in immaculate condition, with a fresh coat of paint and a calming palette. With an open floor plan, spacious kitchen and living areas, and lots of natural light throughout, entertaining will be a breeze. Upstairs, the huge room over the garage is a potential fifth bedroom, giving you many options and plenty of space for everyone. The sunroom could be a fantastic flex area for an office or playroom. There is a huge custom deck, large fenced yard and a side-loading garage, as well as an amazing workshop outside for all your hobbies. When not at the Saturday Farmers Market in downtown Smithfield, enjoy the neighborhood play areas, soccer/baseball fields, green spaces, and direct access to a 3-mile nature trail that stretches from Nike Park to Historic Smithfield. No need to pay storage fees for your boat.